some news from the national capital. A pedestrian has died and another is battling death after a speeding Thar hit them in New Delhi's high-security diplomatic enclave in Chanakyapuri this morning. Now, the accident occurred just about 2 kilometers away from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, but the pedestrian's body lay on the road in the high-security area for hours before the police arrived and took it away. Now, the injured person has been hospitalized and police have arrested the 26-year-old driver and have seized the SUV. Well, as per sources, the liquor bottles have been recovered from the car and forensic teams are at work to find more clues. The driver has told the cops that the car belongs to his friend and he had borrowed it. My colleague Anushka brings us more on this.
I'm reporting from Delhi's Chanakyapuri area, which is considered to be one of the most safest and secure area of the national capital, which is barely 2 kilometers away from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. First, we'll show you the visuals. What happened today morning here is absolutely shocking. The stretch of road you can see, in this particular visual became a site of deadly crash. Police say a white Thar SUV came speeding through here, crushing two pedestrians. One man died on the spot. His body lay here for hours, while the other, critically injured, was taken to hospital and is still undergoing treatment. The driver is said to be a 26-year-old man who was caught right here at the scene. Investigators say the SUV actually belonged to one of the friends of the accused, and he has in fact also claimed that he dozed off while driving, leading to this accident. However, police are still investigating whether he had consumed alcohol, as several liquor bottles were also in fact found inside the vehicle. If you look just down the road, you can still see the forensic team combing through the Thar, documenting every detail and collecting evidence to determine the exact cause of this crash. We can see what kind of a visual is in fact here at the spot. This Thar in fact got on the pedestrian way, the whole stretch where the pedestrians are in fact supposed to walk, and after that you can clearly see the situation of this particular car. It can clearly be seen that this car was over speeding when the incident happened, while the accused is claiming that he dozed off while driving the car. The police is still investigating the cause of this whole accident here, the deadly crash which took the life of a man who was here walking early in the morning, and it raises serious questions also of the security in this area, and how exactly was the Thar overspeeding in such a high profile security zone. This is an area where several of the diplomatic enclaves are, and protected buildings are in fact also situated, and this is what a deadly crash has in fact taken place here early in the morning. We'll also show you the tire marks that the Delhi police has marked here. The car actually went to this pedestrian walk. The car crashed through this electric pole that can be seen here clearly in the visuals, and after that it hit two pedestrians who were here on a morning walk, and it hit two people. One person is seriously injured, is in fact undergoing treatment at a hospital, and the other person died here at the spot. One man has been in fact detained. The police have detained two people, is in fact questioning them as to what led to the incident, and in fact also the forensic team is trying to determine whether or not was the car overspeeding and what actually led to this deadly crash that took place in Delhi's Chanakyapuri area. With camera person Mukesh Kumar, this is Anushka Garg from NDTV.